你好，我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Day Up. Here, you can learn the most authentic Chinese. Today, we will learn how to tell others that you're feeling gloomy. 我很难过 I'm very sad. 我 third tone means I. 很 third tone means so or very. 难 second tone. 过 fourth tone. 难过 means sad. 我很难过我很难过我很难过 Bella, are you okay? You look a bit sad today. I just heard about Whitney Houston's death. 我很难过 I'm so sad. My boyfriend cheated on me. 我很难过 I'm so sad. Tracy, don't cry. He's not worth your tears. Jill, how did the interview go? Don't mention that. The interview was horrible. 我很难过 I'm very sad. Don't worry. You will find the job that you really love. 加油 Cheer up. 医生说什么 What did the doctor say? The doctor said I can't attend the big match. 我很难过I'm very sad. My parents are so stubborn. I told them I was going to New York and I would become a very famous actress. What did they say? They said, wake up and get back to the med school. 我很难过 I'm so sad. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recording and tell me a story that made you sad. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见。Which of the following sentences best describes her mood? 她很生气。他很难过他很无聊 Please choose the best answer. Ella, you look upset today. Are you okay? 我男朋友说我不爱他我很难过 Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Ella is very angry. Ella is very sad. Ella is very bored. Please choose the best answer. Bella, 今天的面试怎么样？别提了，他们说我不适合这个工作，我很难过。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Bella is very happy because she got the job. Bella is very angry because the company turned her down. Bella is very sad because the company thought she wasn't suited for the job. Please choose the best answer. Ellie, what's wrong? I couldn't find my ring. 那是我男朋友送的生日礼物。我很难过。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Ellie is very sad because she lost the ring that her boyfriend gave her. Ellie thinks it's okay that she lost the ring given by her boyfriend. Ellie is very happy because she can now get a new ring. Please choose the best answer. Emma, what's wrong? My grandma has been ill. What would Emma probably say? 我很高兴。我很生气。 我很难过。Please choose the best answer.